Hi guys, welcome to codeartisanlab. This is video number 22 for gym management system in Django, and in this video we are going to perform the custom login logout functionality, and we will use this with the help of Django session. Okay, and we will create this login for our trainers. Okay, so in our previous video we have created the trainers model. Okay, now in this video what I am going to do, we will create the login form. Currently, this login form we have created with the help of Django authentication package. Now we will create everything custom. Okay, for first of all we will create the form, then we will perform the functionality, we will match the data, we will save the data in session, and then we will check that if session exists, then we will show the logout button and all the things. So we are going to do all these things in this video. Okay, so let's start to do this. Okay, so for creating the login functionality, we will create the login form. Okay, so till now we have created the model form. Now we will create the custom form for this login trainer login. So I will create class trainer login, and here we will extend the form. Okay, form class, and now here we will create username equal to, and one thing more we need to do, that when we have created the trainer model, we need to create actually two things that we have forgot to create. We need to create the username and password also. Okay, so let's create username equal to models dot char field max length 100. Okay, and the password, we will create password equal to models dot char field, and let's say max length equal to 50. Okay, and now we need to migrate this, and we will say that default we have null, or we can say null equal to true. Okay, so null equal to true, because if you create the migration without this null, then it will say error that you have to define the default value. Okay, so that I am creating this. So py manage.py, what it is, manage.py make migrations. Okay, now py manage.py migrate. Okay, so we have created this. So let's run the server after creating the form. Okay, so now we have in a form. Actually, we can create the model form. Why we need to create the default custom form? We can create the model form also. Let's create the model form. Okay, so trainer model form. Actually this will not model, this will be login form, and we will extend here models dot model. Okay, just like this model form, actually not model form. Okay, and here we will pass username and password. Okay, currently we are saving the plain password, and this the model is trainer model. Okay, so the model is trainer. What is the name of this model? Trainer. Okay, trainer model, and we will see it here. Okay, and now let's go to the views, and same as we have created the subscription and all the things, we will create the same thing for our model, but just the difference is, let's say we have, where it is, subscription. Okay, let's subscription plan, where it is, user dashboard subscription pricing. Okay, let's copy the inquiry model. Let's copy the inquiry model, paste it here, and we will name it trainer login. Okay, and here we will add the trainer login, what its name, trainer login form. Okay, and in this what we will do, actually we are not saving the data, so what I will do here, we need to we will show the form, exactly we will show the form, but we will d- uh, d- we will delete this thing, because username equal to request dot post, and we will get here the username. Okay, and the password equal to request dot post, and this will be password. Okay, so we have this. Now we have this data in the username and in the password, and we need to match this data with our trainer model. Okay, so what we will do here, trainer equal to objects dot trainer dot objects, this will be models dot trainer dot objects dot filter, and we will filter here username equal to this username. Okay, and password equal to this password. Okay, and we will count this data. Okay, so if if trainer greater than 0, then it means we have some data. So I'll just simply show the message that successful. Okay, else we will show the message invalid. Okay, we will just going this. Okay, now here we will say that trainer login, and we need to pass this in our urls.py file. So I will go to urls.py file, and here what I will do, I will just simply copy and say trainer log. Okay, and this will be trainer login, trainer login. Okay, and we need to create the form, not form, actually template. So I will go to, I'll create the trainer folder, because in future we have lots of things to do. So trainer login dot html, and we will copy this from the registration. So copy, actually we will copy this data, copy and paste it here. Okay, and we don't need this thing. Okay, we will implement customly, because we are not using the user authentication. Okay, so that I'm removing this. Okay, so we have let's say trainer login. Okay, and in the view we need to pass the trainer. So what its name, actually we have defined the trainer. Okay, so trainer login, and actually this name is only login, not trainer login. Okay, so we have now a trainer login, and we have this table as table, and everything is okay. We need to remove this, because trainer is created by only admin. Okay, and we need to define the link here also. So what I will do, let's say the layout, so where it is base.html, and here we will define the login for the trainer. So I'll simply say trainer login, and here it will be the name trainer login. Okay, now let's go to refresh the page, and it is saying something, because we didn't started the server. Okay, I'm coding all these things because I want to show you every aspects, or every way that how we can code in Django. Okay, so I'll just try to show you all the things. So it is saying that cannot import trainer from the Django auth models. So where it is saying that models, so models.py, it is not saying in the model, actually it is saying, it is saying views, in the views we have. this will be, this is models, and in the models we are using the trainers. So let's go to the models we have, and the name is trainer. Yeah, we are doing right. So where it is showing the, so actually this is the urls.py line number 6, line number 6. Why it is showing the error? Let's rectify this. Okay, so we have created the form, model form, and we are using the, oh, wrong. Actually we need to use this models dot trainer. Okay, so it is saying that model form, actually this will be not model form, this will be, model form, this will be forms dot model. Okay, now everything is okay. All right, refresh the page. So now we have this trainer login, click on this, and we have username and password. Okay, so let's try. First of all, we need to create some trainer. Actually, let's create some trainer. So admin, and we have some username, password. Okay, and we have edit this. We will edit this. Username is like AK, and password is something. Okay, and save this. So let's say AK and password is submit. So it is saying that CSRF token. So without the CSRF token, we can't submit the form. But we have CSRF token here. Okay, and what it is saying that CSRF token is missing or something. But why we have CSRF token? So why it is saying that? So I will go to the U, control U, and here we have a CSRF token, and let's go to AK, and we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Submit this. Okay, so successful. It means it is showing the data. Let's add some another things. It is saying invalid. Okay, so first of all we will show this message as a warning. Okay, in both cases it will show as a warning. Okay, so now it is matching the data with the database, and now we will work with the session. When we uh, match with the database, then we will redirect, or we can show here the logout functionality. Okay, so from this logout we will actually remove both the data. Okay, from for the user and for the trainer logout, we will also log out the trainer also. Okay, so actually this logout is working for the accounts. So should we create the different logout for the trainer, or we should create this trainer, embed this trainer login with the, okay, so for creating other things and other doing other things, let's complete this flow. We will create the logout for the trainer also. Okay, so here we will create the trainer logout. Okay, and this will show only for the trainer, not for all. It will show only for the trainer. Okay, and yeah, so let's create the session functionality. Okay, so let's use the session. So when we submit the form, and if trainer finds successful, then here what I will do, here I will use request dot session, and here I will say trainer login equal to true. Okay, and in the else we are showing the message, and after that we will return redirect, redirect trainer. Okay, trainer dashboard. I know that we didn't created this, but we will create this soon. Okay, so trainer dashboard. this will show the 404 message. I know that. Okay, so let's submit this form. Let's submit this, and I'll say that AK at 1 2 3 4 5 6. I know that this is this should be password field, so we will create the password field. Let's complete the functionality. So submit. So it is saying that trainer dashboard. Okay, so we have currently stored the session. Okay, and how we can verify this? So I will go to simply the I will go to here, and we will show this trainer login. We will show this register trainer login if trainer is not logged in, else we will show the trainer logout. Okay, so let's show this, and we will also show this trainer logout. So okay, so let's show this trainer logout. We will go to the base.html, and here what I will do, I will say if if request dot session dot trainer login. Okay, and because we are saving the true and false data, so that on the basis we will say if this, then we will show logout, else we will show login. Okay, I will say here, and here we will say trainer logout. Okay, and we will create the trainer logout functionality. So I will show you that how we can work with the logout. Okay, so if request session true trainer login, because we have saved this trainer login status in our here you can see that, and after that where we are, okay, okay, so after that, and currently let's remove this and just add hash because it will create error. Okay, so let's refresh this page, and it is saying that invalid block or something, and where it is actually this will be here, and if, okay, and this will be, let's move this okay, so refresh the page. No reverse found for that. Actually we have we have removed the login. Actually we need to remove this thing. Okay, no problem. Okay, refresh this page. So we, it is showing the trainer logout. Okay, now we need to create the trainer logout, and if the trainer is logged in, then we don't want to show this data, register and login. Okay, so what I will do here, I will say simply that if trainer, I will add this in a else condition, or we can simply say that if not request user is authenticated. Okay, no problem, we will just add it here in the login functionality. Refresh the page, and we have just trainer logout. Okay, okay, so now we need to create the functionality for trainer logout. So what I will do here, I just simply copy this. I'm in the URL. Okay, so in the url.py file, so logout, trainer logout, fine. Now we will create the trainer logout magic. So trainer login. Okay, and here we are, trainer logout. I hope you are not messing up the code, because I am not messing up, because I know that what I am doing. So please understand this step by step. Watch this video multiple times if you are not understanding, and do your practice. I am doing this video in maximum half an hour and or 40 minutes, but you need to try this thing if you are doing first time or any time. If you want to learn this thing, then you have to do this at least 4 to 5 times. Okay, and understand each of the code. Okay, if don't ignore any code, just try to understand all of the things. Okay, and please add your query or any question in the comment section. I will try to respond you as soon as possible. Okay, and please share this video, subscribe this channel. Okay, click on the bell icon for the latest notifications, news updates. Okay, so we are doing the trainer logout. Enough promotion. So we will delete just request dot session. What we will delete? Trainer login. Okay, and then after we will return trainer login. Okay, so I think this is very simple. Okay, so I will refresh the page and I will click on the trainer logout. We didn't define the we did not define the URL. Let's define this. If you are feeling bored, or if you are feeling not excited, then you can also add in the comment section. So I will try to do with more excitement and more like. Okay, so we are trainer logout. So now we have redirected on the trainer login, and here you can see that trainer login, register login, and simple login. Okay, so we have performed the custom login logout functionality with the help of session. Okay, so I hope you understand all of the things. If you have any issue, any problem, then please add in the comment section. First of all, I'm just going to give the overview. First of all, we have created the form. In the view, we have created this functionality. Okay, we are matching the submitted username password with our database, and then we are storing the data in the session, just boolean value. And after the successful, we are redirecting, and in the logout functionality, we are just deleting this session key. Okay, and redirecting on the trainer login. Okay, so we are doing these things. Okay, so I hope you understand all the things. So please like, share, subscribe, comment on this video, this channel. Okay, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.